Hello from the Viral Academy. Today we want to look at the topic of door locks. Door locks are very complex components. They are controlled mechanically at several points, but also electrically. Using this Passat as an example, we want to show you today how to replace a door lock and what to look out for. When doing this kind of work, it is helpful to know beforehand how to remove the door trim and fit the door lock.
Als mögliche Quellen sind hier zum Beispiel die Einbauanleitung der jeweiligen Hersteller oder aber die Werkstatttester, als auch die ganzen Datenbanken, die man im Internet findet.
First, we remove the door trim. Here is the support for the window regulator. To remove it, we have to remove the window. There are two control holes and we have to bring the support up so that we can loosen the two screws. It is very important to pay attention to the direction of rotation. This is a clamping screw. That means we have to turn the screw in to loosen it, because the window is clamped. Then we put the window regulator back in its original position. Inside there is a plastic bracket that connects the door lock to the door handle. The door lock is also mechanically connected to the lock cylinder, which we remove next. Now we loosen these two screws for the lock and then we can remove it. Now we have to remove both cables for the outside handle and the inside handle, and then the new door lock can be installed. An important note: when choosing the right spare parts, we have to look very carefully because there can be different versions depending on the equipment, variant or year of construction. Therefore, we have to key in the chassis number so that we can find out the original spare part number and then assign the correct spare part variant via this number. In this case it is our V10-85-0019.
Ersatzteilvariante herausfinden. In diesem Fall ist das unsere V10-85-0019. Der Einbau erfolgt.
The installation is now done in reverse order. Before reassembling everything, we recommend an open heart function test. It is important that the disc lies cleanly in the guide when it is inserted. Then it will also engage cleanly. Before we reassemble everything, check that all plugs are connected and check the cables. Here we have put together a small selection of the most common door locks. We now have well over 600 different references of all makes and models in our range. You can find them at www.viralshop.de. Now we'll wrap up the shoot. I hope it was informative for you. If so, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel.